Hello everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to create an online course on Podia. To begin, sign up for an account on the Podia website by using the link in the description box. Creating an online course on Podia in 2024 is a straightforward process that enables you to share your expertise and monetize your knowledge. Begin by logging into your Podia account and navigating to the Products section. From there, create a new product and select Online Course as the product type. Give your course a descriptive name and upload your course content, including videos, PDFs, and other resources, organized into modules and lessons. Customize your course page by adding a cover image, description, and pricing options. Consider offering bonuses or extras to enhance the value of your course. Preview your course to ensure everything is as intended, then publish it to make it available to your audience. Promote your course through various channels and engage with your students throughout the course. Monitor the performance of your course using Podia's analytics tools to track enrollment, engagement, and revenue. By following these steps, you can create a successful online course on Podia and share your knowledge effectively. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description to access the platform. Thank you for watching.